just kind of started it a little bit more, that and rhyming, patterning and rhyming, when we had to leave, because those are some really tricky things that we learn in pre-K, so I normally save them for last because they're tricky, and now we're not together, so gosh darn it, let's try and do some patterning over video, even though you guys aren't here to help me. I want you to try and think about what's going to be next in the pattern. So let's see, I have to think of one first because I haven't thought of any patterns. I'm just thinking about them. I think I'm going to do, let me do this pattern. Now this pattern is not going to be a color pattern. It's going to be an animal pattern. You see? Because there's lots of different ways that we can pattern. So this one is going to be an animal pattern. So don't look at the colors, look at the animal. So I'm going to put it down here. First I have a sheep, and then I'm going to put a chicken. It's kind of hard to tell because the chicken's green. So that's my pattern. Sheep, chicken, sheep, chicken. So what would come next? What animal would I have to put next? If I've got a sheep and a chicken, what should I put next? I need to put a sheep next. Remember, don't look at the color. We're doing the animal. Sheep, chicken. Sheep, chicken. Sheep, chicken. What would come next? I have sheep, chicken, sheep. What would go there? Chicken. Sheep, chicken, sheep, chicken. What would go next? Sheep, sheep, chicken, sheep, chicken, sheep. Chicken. Okay, let's try a different one. So that one was animals. Now let's try one with colors. So we're not going to look at the animal this time. This time we're going to look at the color. So how about this will be our pattern. Can you tell what it is? What will our pattern be? Remember, don't look at the animal, look at the color. What do you think our pattern's going to be? Can you tell? Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. Okay, so if that's our pattern, purple then blue, what will be next? A purple animal. Purple, blue, purple. What color comes next? A blue animal. Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple. And there's a pattern. It repeats one after the other, after the other, after the other, forever. Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple. Okay, let's try one more. We'll do another color. We'll do another color one. But this time, it's going to be yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. what would come next? Remember, we're doing colors, not animals. Yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. If I had another space, what would go here? If I had another spot. Yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. Yellow. If I had another space, we would start over again with yellow. If you have anything at your house that you can practice patterns with, you can do that. You can do it with anything. You can do it with cereal. You could do it with little toys that you have. You can do it with anything that you can find that you have a lot of little things. When my sister was little, I used to do it with her cereal and stuff. I would mix up Cheerios and Fruit Loops, and we would do patterns with those. You could do anything. So go ahead and try and do some of your own patterns and see with what you come up with. You could even do it with like markers and crayons on a piece of paper. You can make up your own. You could do like a star, heart, triangle, star, heart, triangle, star, heart, triangle. Or you could do yellow dot, purple dot, blue dot, yellow dot, purple dot, blue dot. You could do whatever you wanted. So go ahead and give some patterns a try and see what you can come up with.